Hello, this is me Ishani from Tech Basics. Today we will learn about how to reset your encrypted password in your WhatsApp account. First, open WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, you can see the settings icon on the bottom right. Click on it. Now press on chats. Now click on chat backup. Here we can see the option end-to-end encrypted backup. Click on it. Now click on change password. Now we can see that it says I forgot my password. Click on it. It will ask for Face ID. Now you can create your new password. It must contain at least 6 characters and 1 letter. Click on next. Then retype your password. Again click on next. Your password has been updated. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel, and do comment down below if you have any confusions. Thank you.